The KickStART Creative Lab is an opportunity for students across the arts. This year's theme is the Rebel Industries.
UAL's Graduate Incubation Programme is an offer of support for creative and digital businesses.
As part of the development team, we are fundraisers.
Connect, collaborate, create. Workshops, skills, development and learning for future creative industry leaders.
Dance, music, visual arts, and most importantly, I commission and lead incubation programs for emerging artists and also provide a platform for experimentation.
What we're finding more and more with trusts and foundations is they want to have an active stake in what you're doing.
Focuses on just Black representation in photography and in film. This came out of lockdown where we were bored, we were at home, and we started to make funny little sketches together as a family.
This is a unique opportunity to meet and work with fellow students from the Royal Northern College of Music, University of the Arts London and the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama.
Most of the biggest contracts we've won have come as a result of that really obvious thing of, well, just ask. Reach out to people, say, I'd love to work with you. How do I do it?
So they made the digital subscription, everything was online in terms of talks, the curriculum that they had. All of a sudden, it was global.
Join us in November to find out how you can kickstart your creative career.